Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, Professor in AJ Civil Department in Mangalore. Now, I will explain water supply and treatment engineering, third module. Okay, that's the important question of the membrane filtration. Okay, a membrane is a thin layer of semi-permeable material and they separate the substance when drying the force is applied across the membrane. Okay. Membrane process are increasing and used to removal of bacteria, microorganism, particulates, and natural organic material, which can impact color, taste, and odor to water and react with the disinfectant to form disinfection byproduct. Okay, as the this advance are made in membrane production, the modular design, the capital and operation costs continue to decline. The membrane process discussed here are microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis. Okay, microfiltration. Microfiltration is usually defined as the membrane separation process using membrane with a pore size of approximately 0.03 to 10 microns, a molecular weight cutoff of greater than 1 lakh Dalton, okay, and relatively low feed water operation pressure, approximately 100 to 400 kPa. The material removed by microfilms includes sand, silt, clay, okay, gradile lambia, and cryoplasmodium crist, algae, and some bacterial species. Okay, microfiltration is not an absolute barrier to virus. However, when used in combination with the disinfection, microfiltration appears to control the microorganism in water. Okay, then we go for the explanation. Okay, explanation. Okay, one by one. These are the growing. There is a growing of emphasis on the limiting the concentration and number of chemicals that are applied during the water treatment by physically remove the pathogens, membrane filtration can significantly reduce the chemical addition such as chlorination. Another application of technology is to removal of natural synthetic organic matter to reduce the foul potential. Okay. Now we go for the process one by one. Okay. Microfiltration membrane provide absolutely removal of a particular contaminants from a feed stream by separation based on retention of contaminants on the membrane surface. It is the loosest of the membrane process and consequence of its large porous size. It is used primarily for removal of particles and microbes, and it can be operated under ultra low pressure condition. In the simplest design, microfiltration process involves pre-screening of raw water and pumping under pressure into a membrane. The comparison to conventional water clarification process, the coagulants and other chemicals are added to water before filtration. These are the few pre-treatment required for hollow fiber system when particles of the microorganism are the target contaminates. Okay. Pre-filters are necessary to remove the large particle may plug the inlet of the fibers within the membrane module. More complex pre-treatment strategies are sometimes employed either to reduce fouling. Okay, it may be necessary to adjust the feed water pH by chemical dosing prior to the membrane filtration in order to maintain the pH within the recommendation operating range from membrane material employed. Microfiltration member under the most conservative condition appears act absolute barrier to selected bacteria. Now we go for the ultrafiltration. Okay, ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration has a porous size approximately 0.002 to 0.1 microns and MWCO approximately 10,000 to 1 lakh daltons and an operating pressure approximately 200 to 700 kPa. Okay, ultrafiltration will remove all the microbiological species removed by the microfiltration. Okay, by the particularly remove the bacteria as well as some virus, but not a absolute barrier to virus and humic materials. Disinfection can be provide second barrier to contamination and therefore it is recommended. The primary advantage of lower pressure ultrafiltration membrane process are compared with the conventional clarification and disinfection of post-fluorination process. No need of chemicals, coagulant, focalization, disinfection, pH adjustment, size execution of the filtration as opposed to the media depth filtration, constant quality of the treatment of water in terms of particles and microbial removal, process and plant compactness, simple automation. Okay. However, fouling is also different in member technology for water treatment. Okay. Now process, very important. We go for the process. Ultrafiltration is a pressure drain process by which colloid particles and high molecular mass soluble species are retained by the process of size excision and such provide means of the concentration separate into paths of filtering dissolved or suspended species. Ultrafiltration allows the most ionic inorganic species and passes through the membrane and retain the distinct particle membrane non-ionic and ionic organic species. Okay. Ultrafiltration is a single process that removes the many water soluble organic material as well as microbiological contaminants. Ultrafiltration designed to remove the suspended and dissolved microorganism solid from the fluid. Water containing dissolved iron and magnesium need to be treated by adequate oxidation process in order to particulate this iron prior to ultrafiltration, membrane filtration. As with all the membrane process, this is recommended to avoid precipitation of iron, okay, and magnesium in the membrane. Okay. Now we go for the membrane materials. Now, which are the membrane material used? Normally, membrane material is manufactured from the synthetic polymer, although other forms include ceramics and metallic membrane may be available. Almost all the membrane are manufactured for drinking water are made of polymeric materials since they are significantly less expensive than the membrane constructed to other material. Okay, then The membrane is constructed of polymers that reacts with the oxidant used in a drinking water treatment, should not be used in chlorinated feed water. Okay. Mechanical strength is another consideration, since the membrane with a greater strength can be withstand a larger uh, transmembrane pressure level, allowing the greater uh, operational flexibility and use of higher pressure. Membrane with a bidirectional strength may allow the cleaning operation or integrity testing to be performed for either feed of filter side of the membrane. Okay, membrane with a particular surface changes may remove particulate of microbial contaminants of the opposite charge due to the electrostatic attraction. Membrane can also be hydrophilic or hydrophobic. Okay, these terms describe the though easily membrane can be wetted as well. It is able to resist fouling of some degrees. Okay, now we go for the foul mechanism. Okay, foul mechanism. Fouling is a phenomenon caused by the interaction between the membrane surface and foulant, which include inorganic, organic, and biological substance in many different forms. Foulant does not only physically interact with the membrane surface, but also chemically degrade the membrane material. For example, colloidal particles such as natural organic matter not only physical interact with the membrane surface, but also chemical degrade the membrane material in both the membrane filter and outer filtration process. The separation phenomena and membrane fouling are both strongly influenced by the skin layer porous structure and chemistry. Okay, controlling of the fouling recommendation can be done through the pre-treatment the feed to limit the fouling porosity, improving the anti-fouling properties of the membrane cleaning and backwashing condition, optimization, operating condition already discussed previously. Feed pre-treatment. Membranes are susceptible to fouling, therefore pre-treatment of the feed is required to control colloidal, organic and biological fouling as well as scaling. Pre-treatment scheme must be capable of controlling the fouling such as extent that practical cleaning frequently can be achieved for the low pressure member. A member treatment method will be currently used. Advantage and disadvantage of the microfiltration. Okay, it is flexible. Okay, can be used separation, concentration, and purification of huge varieties of the material of the wide range industry. Okay, microfiltration and ultrafiltration process can be operated highly efficient, capable of fractionating particle species according to the size. No phase change involved. Both feed and product streams remain in a liquid form. The process can be functioned effectively at the low temperature. Energy required is low. Process may be relatively simple to the scale of. Membrane can be manufactured in uniformly and highly precise manner. Disadvantage: the processes are prone to a membrane fouling effect which help to decrease the premate flux. Expensive cleaning schemes may be necessary. High flow rate used to cross flow feed damage the shear sensitive material. Okay, as equipment costs can be high, the membrane manufacture process is not precisely controlled. Membrane with a wide porous side distribution may result in poor separation performance.